There is a remote called Mary Rose-HW which contains your student's JavaScript homework. Clone the remote, giving it a name of your choice. So git clone Mary Rose HW. It's gonna clone it, and we're gonna give our clone. I'll just call it Mary Rose. Okay, that's cloning. Let's take that off. Okay, so now use the terminal command cd and cd into my clone. Okay, so command directory cd into Mary Rose. Okay, so now we're within Mary Rose. Okay, use the file navigator to open homework.js in the code editor. Be sure to open homework.js in your clone, not in remote. Okay, so our clone is Mary Rose. And there's homework.js. So let's open homework.js within our directory. And right, so we've opened that, we've done that, we've opened that. Okay, so now from the terminal, create a new branch with Git. So I'm going to create a new branch. First, I'm going to check what branches there are. Git branch. It's just the master. So the new branch, I'm going to call it Mary Rose branch, just to be specific. Okay, so Git branch, Mary Rose branch. Right. And then your branch will be commenting on Mary Rose JavaScript homework. So name the branch appropriately. I'll just call it Mary Rose branch. Next, switch over to your new branch. To switch over, you use checkout. So it's git checkout because you're currently on master. So use git checkout Mary Rose branch. Okay, switch to branch Mary Rose branch. Okay, so that's sorted. All right, next time to start commenting on Mary Rose JavaScript homework. Comments are used to leave notes for other programmers or yourself. In JavaScript, you can make a single line comment by typing / at the beginning of any line. Then type your comment, for example, I'm a comment. There are a number of comments already in homework.js to guide you. Make whatever the comments you'd like to Mary Rose's JavaScript homework, then click save. I'm going to take that off so long. I'm just going to comment here, updated homework, it's a homework file. You can put any comment you'd like, and then you save that. I've already ticked that off. Okay, next, add your changes to the staging area. So to add stages, it's git add, and then the file name homework.js. Okay, and git add, so that's added. Next, it's commit. So now make a commit. Right, it's going to be git commit -m, and that's, you're going to name your file or just make a comment related to your file, updated homework.js. Or let me not put that, just homework, because I think if you put .js, there might be a conflict of interest, if I'm not mistaken. So just put update homework in double quotes. Okay, enter. Right there, it's updated. Git add homework.js, git comment -m, update homework. Okay, so one file change, one insertion. Okay, that's done. Okay, so next, push your branch up to remote. Okay, so in order to push your branch up to remote, you have to be on that branch. And yeah, we git checkout Mary Rose branch, so we are on that branch. So let's go ahead, git push origin, and we're just going to name it. It's Mary Rose, our branch's name, Mary Rose branch. Okay. Okay, now we've pushed that branch to the main. Total 3 new branch, Mary Rose pushed to Mary Rose branch. That's it. Mary Rose branch. Okay. Right, next, what we're going to do is, that's done. Use cd. Okay, so we're just going to move back towards that directory, cd, which was the first one, cd/Mary Rose -hw. Okay. All right. And to make sure and check that we're within, let's just go do Alice. Okay, there's Alice and homework.js, which was the original homework.js within Mary Rose -hw. Right, there are other commands like git log, for instance, then q to opt out, and then yeah, that's it. Right, let's move on.